What'd you?
Don't click the button.
Here we are.
Don't click the button.
We are now. We're still in our server. We're just
Everybody give
outside
him
the
black
big
hill.
bedrock wall, and I'm gonna record. So let me set this. All right, Ryan, click it when ready.
No, it's over here. No. Don't you dare. Okay, let me make my way over there.
I'll show you where they are now. They are in that obsidian house right there.
It's on a
Don't
house.
you dare. I'm
Press the
gonna
button, and it's gonna go down.
just over here. No.
Set off the TNT and.
If it doesn't work, then we're doomed. I guess I'll go there if it doesn't work.
No, I can get it. I can lean over the edge. All right, are you guys ready?
Let me just finish this off. No, please, don't, no. I'm going. Don't even think about touching it.
I touched it. I'm just kidding. Alright, hurry up. I'm tired of standing here.
Oh, shut up. I'm coming. Don't complain.
We're gonna like screw out in this window. Okay, you ready?
I'm ready.
Hold on.
5.
I'm pressing the trigger. I freaking
Okay.
set this thing up.
Alright, so 10,
Okay.
9,
5.
8,
Shut up. 5, 4, 3,
3,
2,
2,
1.
1.
Oh gosh, it's lit.
Get out of the way. I can see. Explode. I just
Get back.
I'm getting about 1 frame per second here.
Okay, I'm not even getting anything.
it just froze on
Oh,
me.
here.
Oh god.
Oh, TNT's shooting out of the pit.
I can't even move.
I'm frozen.
Neither can I.
Oh, there goes another frame.
Holy
I'm not even getting.
I'm lagging so.
Oh,
I,
there you
like,
go.
after since, dude, as soon as I press the button, I
got
stop.
hit. I'm falling.
Test.
I
Oh,
can't keep up with the time.
no, go with test manager.
The server's overloaded. We're all being kicked off.
I'm not being kicked.
We should probably disconnect.
So what's the Control-Alt-Delete for Mac, Brennan? I forgot.
Oh my gosh.
I don't know.
You know, so
You guys have no idea what it looks like up here.
is it still going?
Yeah.
Dude, my CPU's freaking out. It's like 99.
Uh-oh.
Alright, I'm going in Minecraft and just
My computer just crashed.
He messaged
No, I
you.
just entered front row.
Yeah, dude, my thing. Thank you, test center, for letting me.
Holy cow, dude. I'm so sorry. This is like.
I'm still frozen.
Me too.
Everybody's voice sounds crappy.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Why is that?
Yeah,
because our
my
computer
thing
uses
is
so much
freaking
RAM.
out.
Oh, I just moved to frame. Oh my god, TNT's flying everywhere.
I know.
Dude, my Minecraft won't even open back up. Oh, there it is. You go away. You go away too.
I can't
Oh,
even
got a
close
frame,
my
got a
Minecraft.
frame.
Oh, my Minecraft crashed. Alright, I gotta reopen it.
Not responding.
Uh-oh, I entered front row again. Dang it!
Close
Oh, I just heard some explosions.
My Minecraft is frozen. I'm closing Windows now.
Oh, I got a frame.
I'm gonna have to reconnect. I'm gonna stop recording here, and I'll add
No.
on.
Alright,
I'm gonna add on the next video.